Hello all, welcome to PC Tips Pro, and in today's video we are going to see how to install any website as app on Windows PC. Before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And now let's get started. For doing this, we need to go to this Explorer of Microsoft Edge. So we need to go there and we need to give the website that you want to use as an app. Let's say that I want to use something like let's say I just want to use eBay as an app on my PC. I can just just go to this website of eBay. So let me just open this, and here I am on the home page of eBay. Now here in the top right corner you can see this 3 dots. By just clicking on this 3 dots, you can just see this apps. Go to this apps and just click on this, and here you can find this option of view apps and install this site as an app. So click on the install this site as an app, and here you can give the name to your icon or the app that you're going to create. Let me just simply call it as eBay and click on the install. So we just need to wait for it to get installed, and here it is asking me that the app is installed, but it is asking me whether the app I should allow it to pin it to the taskbar and pin to the start, and also I want to create a desktop shortcut, let's say, and click on the allow. And now we can just see that eBay is now pinned to the taskbar and also in the start and also on your desktop as a shortcut. So you can just click on it and this will open something like this. You can just perform whatever action you want to, and then you can just close it. And the uninstallation process is also very easy. You just need to go search for it. So just search for eBay, and here once you find it, click on the uninstall to uninstall this. Click on the uninstall, and yes, this is removed. This is all for today's video, guys. I hope you found this video useful to you, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to PC Tips Pro. Thank you for watching.